Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set up WhatsApp as your default call or messaging app on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to uh, set WhatsApp as a default call or messaging app on your iPhone, how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply open the App Store. So in the App Store, you have to check whether you have installed the latest version of the WhatsApp or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the WhatsApp, and after that you have to make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. So here you have to simply search for the WhatsApp, and after searching, you make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the WhatsApp. And afterward updating the WhatsApp, what you have to do next is you have to simply close this page, and the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of apps. So in apps, you have to look for WhatsApp. So in WhatsApp, you can simply click on WhatsApp, and here you can simply find that there is no setting related to that. So here you can find only default messaging app here. So here you can simply select here default messaging app. Now if you want to set it as a default calling app, then you can simply set it as WhatsApp. Now what you have to do, you can also do the same setting from the phone app, you have to look for the phone app, and after that you can simply change these settings from the phone app also. So here you have to click on that, and here you can find the default calling app is set to WhatsApp, but if you want to change the setting for the messaging app, then you can simply go to the WhatsApp, and you can find these settings in WhatsApp also. So if you want to change both of these settings, then both of these settings are available in WhatsApp settings. So you can simply change that into WhatsApp. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.